This is Carson with Tag Roofing and Restoration out at 817 Emerald Drive. I am here to do a repair test on this shingle that insurance has paid for. I'm going to slip this shingle out and then try and get this shingle in there. But what I will need to do first, because we tried to simulate this at first to show that this roof is not repairable and that you're just going to keep causing damage, I will need to take out this row of nails right here above it, this row of nails above it, and then this row as well. And I'm going to slip the shingle out. This might be a two-part video just because it may be too long with taking it out, slipping it in, all that. So I'm going to set this down, loosen these top row, or loosen this row. What's left of the, I will loosen this row. Then I will slowly go up, loosen this row, and loosen this row so that we can see if it was repairable or not. So I'm going to set this up over here. Make sure it's not everything. So now, all I am going to simply do is I am going to very slowly, carefully try and unseal these shingles so that I can get to the nails above it to take this shingle out. This shingle's already loosened. And just be very very thorough. Try not to cause any further damage. Now that we've got this shingle somewhat loosened, I'm going to now loosen this row so I can get to the nails underneath. This one is now loose. So then again, I'm going to move to the shingles above it, using the State Farm tool, the recommended State Farm tool for this repair. Again, slowly, I'm trying to cause any further damage to the roof. As you can see, just trying to do that, you're starting to see some creasing right here, and that's just me trying to get the shingle loose. I'm barely tapping it, trying to work with the shingle, trying to really work with the shingle here. And you can see it's just cracking. It's just right down here. But we will keep going because it is not. That shingle's now loose. So we just got a couple more to work on to get loose. And you just really want to work with it. Try not to cause any further damage to the shingle. Where these nails are that are in here. Okay, so trying to get to this nail right here, and it just pulls this, trying to get to this nail right here, and it just pulls, it's pulled straight through the shingle. So this row is now loose. Should be able to just loosen these 3 shingles now. Be able to get to the nails above it. Trying to, again, be as gentle as possible to unseal this shingle. Yeah, this will be a 2-part video of me taking the shingle out and then slipping it back in. But all the shingles are loose now, and we should be able to, which I'm just going to loosen this one up a little bit more. We should be now able to properly get to the nails. So I'm going to look for, yeah. So as you can see, without even pulling the nail's already through the shingle on this side. It's already through the shingle on this side. So I'm going to take the nails that need to be taken out. Okay, so we got a nail here, and the shingle is just ripping right through the nail. It is way too brittle. We're causing creasing all over this. I'm just trying to repair this shingle.